G'day cocktail lovers. This is a cocktail I chose because of the wordplay in the name. Usually when I see a recipe, it's the actual recipe that attracts me to the cocktail and I want to try it. Sometimes I have to admit I'm a sucker for when someone does wordplay, a pun, a joke in a cocktail name, and I got into this one because it's called Twist My Armagnac. No prize for guessing, it's based around Armagnac, which is a French brandy from the Armagnac region of France. Kind of like cognac is from the cognac region, but you know, it's a brandy. And normally I'd say when I have a recipe that says use cognac or Armagnac, just use the brandy of your choice. But because this is central to it, the pun about Armagnac, twist my Armagnac, I think you have to use Armagnac for this. Not really, use any brandy if you like. Another thing I should point out is the recipe that I found also had a vodka in it. And anyone knows me is going to go, he's not going to use vodka, is he? No, I am not, because vodka is bullshit. It's a bullshit cocktail ingredient. It brings nothing except alcohol. And I like alcohol, but why not have something with a bit of character, with some actual taste? And because this cocktail also has pineapple juice in it, I thought white rum is the go. This is from a local rum maker, Jimmy Rum Silver. It's got a nice flavor to it. Some white rums basically are like vodka, there's almost nothing to them, but some have a bit more character. This one has a bit more character, and I like that. And it's all come together in this nice little drink. As I said, there's pineapple juice, there's also lemon juice, a little bit of sugar syrup. I'm going to give it a taste. Oh, well, it's a fun drink, and it's got a fun tropical vibe, which is unusual for an Armagnac cocktail, but that's your rum and pineapple juice kicking in. Here's how we make it. In a shaker, we put 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 mils of white rum. Add to that 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 mils of Armagnac. Then 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 mils of pineapple juice. Then just half an ounce or 15 mils of lemon juice. And finally, 1/4 of an ounce or around 7.5 mils of a brown sugar syrup. Add ice to the shaker, shake that good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then strain that into a rocks glass over a big chunk of ice. Probably should have garnished this with a bit of pineapple ring, but I squished them all, getting juice out of them for the juice component of this so I could have it fresh. So no garnish for me, but you could use a pineapple ring or maybe even pineapple fronds. Maybe should have thought of that. But I'm just going to enjoy the drink because it's a nice drink. It's nice and fruity, and the Armagnac does bring a different note that you don't get in a rum-only drink. So it's a nice variation. If you like tropical drinks, I recommend you try this. And you know, I won't tell anyone if you use a brandy other than Armagnac, but like I said, love the wordplay, and I had Armagnac here, so that's what I went with. Whatever you go with, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you're looking after yourself, and I do hope to see you again sometime soon. Until I do, I will say, cheers.